Good morning, students. This is our English class. Okay, what we are learning and what we are doing in, on, under. What we are doing in, on, under. Yes, now what I said? On means this, where the pen is on the, suppose this is a table, then if I put inside a bottle, pen is in a bottle and table beneath the table, the pen is under the table. Okay, now today one more thing, that is at. Today's topic is at. Okay. At. We are going to learn where we put at. Use of at. There are many use of at, but I will teach you what is given in your book. See, when you are looking to an exact person, okay, not see there, no, exactly you are saying look whom, okay. Suppose a girl is there, a girl is there, okay, she is standing here and someone is pointing, okay, exactly to the girl, then what he is saying? Look at the girl. What it is saying? What he or she is saying? Look at the girl, means only the girl. That means exactly the thing. Look at the pen, okay, look at the marker, look at me, look at the board. Understand? When we are saying exactly where you have to look, that time we use at. Now see, L-O-O-K, look, dash the girl. I am pointing exactly that girl. That time we use at. Look is there, okay. So what? Look. When look will written, you will write at. Understand? Okay. Now, if I draw a leaf, then see here what I am saying. Look dash the leaf. That means what? I am saying you to look where? Only and only to that leaf. So when we are looking exactly the thing what anybody is saying, that time we use at. See here, look is written for your convenience. Look is there. When you see look, look. When L-O-O-K, look is written there, that time beside that what you will write? At. Okay? This is look at the leaf. Understand? I hope everybody understand. Now again I am practicing. If I say look at the butterfly, so what it is written? Look. L-O-O-K, look. If look is written, then beside look, what you will write? A-T-at. Okay? Look at the butterfly. Okay? Then look at the bird. Bird is there, one bird is flying, and I am saying look at the bird. Then where you will put at? Where look is written, L-O-O-K, look. See in the sentence where it is written L-O-O-K, look. And if look is written, beside look, what you will write? You will write A-T-at. Look at the monkey. Okay, look at the board. You will use AT-at. Understand? Okay? So, first sentence with in. One last practice, okay? The toy is dash the box. Suppose this is a box. And it has been opened. Okay, inside the box there is a big doll. Okay, so what we will say? The toy is in the box, because it is inside. So we will say in the box. Okay? Next, number 2. The pencil is book. Suppose this is a okay. The pencil is on the book. Okay. So what do we write? On. Then the ball is there is a tree, and here is a ball. Then what we will say? The ball is under the tree. Okay? Under the tree. And last, okay. Look, just the bird. Look at the bird. Understand? Understand? This is a word in, on, under, at. Understand? Now come to our phonic book. In phonic book, what we are going to do? In phonic book, page number 35, we are going to do. What it is written? Words that begin with B, F, G and L. You have studied with me now? B, F, G and L words you have studied with me. So say the phoneme B, F, G, L. Look at the picture. 3 pictures on each planet start with the same phoneme. Color this and then cross the odd one out. You have to cross the odd one out. Okay, B. Now B for bat, B for bed, B for bag, but B for dog, no, then cross it. Okay, and you have to color these 3. Next, F for fox, F for fan, F for fish, but F for web, no, then you have to cross it. Okay, next, G for gun, G for girl, G for gate, but G for cow, no, then you have to cross it. Okay, then L for lip, L for leg, L for log, L for cat, no, then cat you have to cross out. Understand? You have read with me this chapter. Okay, you know what from B, F, G, L. So after that you have to do this thing in your book. Understand? Okay. So today what I have teach you in, on, under, at and what from B, F, G, L. So learn it, practice it. Okay. My teaching over. Thank you, students.